equipments or peripherals you need to work from home. Let's start. Computer. A computer is the most important piece of equipment. You should keep in mind the computer specs you'll need to meet your specific job requirements. If your company requires remote workers to use a Windows computer but you go out and buy a Mac, you may find you can't function the way you need to. High-speed internet connection. Other companies prefer that home-based employees have hardwired internet. That requires very different equipment than wireless internet. Take your time to research and choose the very best internet service provider in your area. Landline phone. There are some companies that require work-from-home employees have a landline telephone. If that's the case, check with your internet service provider, since they will likely be responsible for your landline phone, and most ISPs provide pricing bundles that can reduce your price for adding a landline number to the mix. A noise-canceling telephone or computer headset with a microphone. You're going to need to make and receive calls, whether on the phone or through an internet communication service. Investing in a good noise-canceling headset is essential to getting your work done. Hey! Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to everyone. To discover new online money making, make sure to visit us by copying this link below. We're excited to see you. Let's continue. Webcam, external if needed. Some computers don't have built-in webcams, or you may have a webcam that doesn't work. Either way, you can purchase an external webcam that plugs into a USB port on your computer. In most cases, a middle-of-the-road webcam will do all you need it to do, unless there is an overarching reason you would need to connect an HD printer and scanner. We still live in a world where paper often rules, which means it's likely that you'll need to invest in a printer or printer-scanner combo if you're not provided one by the company you work for. There are numerous inexpensive models on the market now, and if you don't need to print in color, buying a black and white printer can reduce the cost even more. And for our last one, USB hub, keyboard, and mouse. Peripherals are sometimes hard to decide on, but if you're in the market to add to the capabilities of your setup, a wireless keyboard and mouse are a good investment. These allow more freedom of movement and are often far more convenient to use than their wired counterparts. We appreciate your support on this channel, and of course, continue to like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to check this out now. Have a great day ahead. Together, let's maximize our lifestyle.